Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, Ruby and bundler on your machine so Jekyll can build. Once installed, create or choose a GitHub repo, use username. GitHub, EO for a user site. Clone that repo locally, then run bundle in it and add Jekyll to the gem file, run bundle install. This gets the Jekyll runtime in your project and ensures consistent gems. Make sure to commit gem file and gem file. Lock so builds reproduce exactly on GitHub Pages. Next, scaffold the site into your repo so you have posts, layouts, and config to work with. Run bundle exec Jekyll new. Force to populate files, then edit config. IML for site title, Basule if using a project site and permalink style. Add or adjust layouts and an index. MD, these control structure and SEO. Once done, run bundle exec Jekyll serve locally to preview. This verifies templates, liquid tags, and assets render before you push to GitHub. To deploy, commit your site and push to GitHub. Pages will build automatically from the configured branch. Once pushed, watch the repository's pages or actions log. Build failures usually point to gem compatibility, missing dependencies, or liquid errors. If the site doesn't appear, make sure the correct branch is selected, check any CNAME or DNS settings, and verify Basule in config. IML matches the repo path. If needed, run bundle update locally, fix errors, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.